Hi people, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making okra gravy with semolina. See you soon. Let me quickly introduce our ingredients here. The main ingredient here is okra. Okay, some people call it okra, I call it okra. Some people call it okra, I don't know. No, okra, whatever it is a great vegetable. Dried goat meat, and then I'm going to use what you call stockfish. It's called saltfish, right, in the Caribbean or Jamaica. So we're going to use saltfish to spice it up. I'm going to toss this into a pressure cooker, and I'll add water to this and just some salt. Let me add the salt now, and I'll have it pressure quickly. This is the water. The next thing to do is also to toss in our okra into a pot, and we're going to boil it alongside pressurizing the meat. As I wait, try to put the lid on here. Now this is what we have for our okra as well. So I'm just going to cover it, and that is also going on our fire. Our next thing, we have these onions, and I'm just going to cut our onions in slices. And there we have it. So I have a bowl here, and we'll set this aside. That's our onion. We have our tomato, our diced tomatoes here, and I'm tossing them in our blender. I have 2 red scotch bonnets, which I'm going to throw in here, and then I'm going to toss in half an onion, and I'm going to throw in a few fingers of Thai chilies. So let's put a lid on, and let's crunk this bad boy up. This is liquidized. This is what it's supposed to look like. There you go. So I'll cover that, and I'll place it to the side until we're ready. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to process some of this okra. This is our okra. This is the way it looks. It's nicely cooked. And then now our goat meat and tripe is also ready. There you can see it and admire it. You know, it's simple. Lean meat, no redness to it, no red tint, nothing to it. It's just pure white meat. Okay, this is what we have so far, and we're gonna start to make our gravy. First of all, let me turn on the burner, and today we're using palm oil. And if you allow me to introduce the ingredients that is going to be form a part of our stew. It's our onions, our saltfish, and then we have some spices, minced garlic for shizzle, curry powder to give it a nice aroma, Worcestershire sauce, which I use in most of my cooking, and we have Maggi sauce. Okay, so these are all the spices that we're going to be using. We have some tomato paste here. That's not a spice, but that helps cut down or cut back the spiciness of the chili. So anyway, as this is waiting, let me toss in the meat. Oops. let me try to get this meat around. Very good. So now sort of stop splattering. What I will do as it's frying is that I'll cut our saltfish. I like to throw in 2 boiled eggs, so I'll put 2 eggs to boil on the fire, and we'll add that to our stew. Okay, let's add in our onions. Let's throw in our tomato paste. Tomato chili mixture. We're going to toss in our minced garlic so they can cook together with the stew. So I'll toss that in. Yummy, it smells really good here. Our next one, curry powder. Toss everything in there. Worcestershire sauce, go, and our Maggi sauce. This looks great, 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 great. It looks great. So what we're gonna do next here is that we're gonna add in some of the stock so it keeps a consistent flavor going with the meat. There it is. We can keep adding the stock as needed, but our fabulous friends have to be in. 1, 2. Next, our okra. I think I may have had some technical issues, but anyway, this is Semolina durum wheat, a healthier option than what you can find in cassava powder. At this stage, if you would like, you can add in a bit of butter for a much smoother texture. So this is ready. Oh yeah, wow. Very good. So now the next stage will be for me to mold it. But the molding, I probably will not be able to show. So as you can see, our meal is ready. So what you see here is the final presentation of what okra stew is supposed to look like. This is a labor of love that I chose to make on my channel for all the people that I care about. I'm so happy to have been able to share, something as authentic as this. I love you. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.